Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020. And today's topic would be Cheetah Reintroduction Program. So, what was the context in which this news item was picked up? We all know that cheetah was officially declared extinct in India way back in 1952 itself. And the cheetah that existed in India was not the Asiatic variety but the African cheetah. So, in 2009, we wanted to reintroduce this cheetah into our ecosystems. So we asked Iran to give one of their critically endangered Asiatic cheetah, but they declined. So we went for adopting African cheetah and reintroducing them in our natural ecosystems. However, due to the Asiatic lion conservation project, which was competing with the present conservation project of cheetah reintroduction, was put on a hold by the Supreme Court. So we already proposed to reintroduce cheetah taken from Namibia into the Indian habitat. Now, an important tidbit about cheetah is it is the world's fastest land animal or land mammal. Like we have already spoken about, Iran refused to give its critically endangered Asiatic variety of the cheetah. So since 2009 we have been trying to reintroduce this cheetah into our ecosystem to bring back that homeostasis or equilibrium. So Asian lion was our local priority because priority is always given to preservation of our own species because the natural ecosystem will make it more conducive for conservation. However, there have been favorable climate and abundance of prey for African cheetahs as well, but this was again put under question by various environmental conservationists. Also, there was concern about man animal conflict in these areas, and that is one reason why this program did not go forward. Now, if we have to compare the African cheetah, which would be introduced in our country if the program moves forward, and the Asiatic variety, which is present only in Iran at this moment, we can say that the Asiatic variety that is present in Iran it's much more stronger and faster than the African version that is said to be introduced in our country. But normally people think otherwise. We think African cheetah to be much stronger and faster than the Asiatic variety, but it is not true. So we also have to remember the fact that African cheetah is not a critically endangered species. It is found in the wild, unlike the Asiatic cheetah variety. What are the other concerns raised by environmentalists? We already have the Great Indian Bustard in the same ecosystem where cheetah is said to be reintroduced. There are certain sites which are considered conducive for reintroduction of cheetah, but the same sites are also habitats for Great Indian Bustard, which is a critically endangered species. So similarly, we have wolves, which are considered to be keystone species or the natural predators which maintain a balance in that ecosystem. So sites like Nauradehi National Park are considered for this reintroduction program. Now, if that happens, it would be a sort of a competition between wolves and other sort of predators who are acting as keystone species in that ecosystem. Another concern that was raised was the suitability of this habitat of Nauradehi for cheetah reintroduction. So the proposed area does not have more than 1000 square kilometer and the prey base is much smaller. If you compare that with Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, which is way larger than the Nauradehi National Park, it is almost 14 times, 15 times larger than Nauradehi National Park, and the prey base is also much larger. And the Kruger National Park in South Africa is almost 20 times larger than the Nauradehi National Park. So if you are trying to put cheetah in this sort of a ecosystem, will it be conducive? That is the concern raised by many environmental conservationists. Now let us have a look at the question number 1. Which of the following statements is or are correct with respect to Kuno Palpur Wildlife Sanctuary? Kuno Palpur Wildlife Sanctuary was one of the earlier proposed sites. Since Asiatic lion is being relocated to this place, they considered an alternative site. This place is indeed in Madhya Pradesh. The alternative site considered for cheetah reintroduction was Noradehi, as we have already seen in the previous slides. The second statement. After Gujarat's Gir forest, it is India's second home for the Asiatic lion. Yes, this is also true. Now, regarding the third statement, Kuno Palpur Wildlife Sanctuary will get the status of national park if cheetahs are reintroduced. This statement is false because this wildlife sanctuary already got the status of national park. So 1 and 2 should be the answer ideally, but pardon me, this option is not available. 1 and 2 is the answer. Now pause the video at this question number 2 and please post your answer in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching it. Keep watching this channel for more such videos.